Hey everybody, in today's lesson I am going to show you how to play Hybrid Moments by the Misfits off of the Legacy of Brutality LP. But before we get going, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and here we go. Alright, so this is one of my favorite Misfits songs. It's super easy to play, and it's also super fun. It's got basically two parts. It's all power chords, and it's what I like about it is it's got some kind of unique phrasing. Not exactly phrasing, but some unique chord patterns which aren't typical of punk songs. So we're going to start off with a D power chord, and we're going to do this kind of intermediary note at the C power chord en route to the B. So this is kind of a cool thing to do in your own music. So like a lot of bands would go like this. Very Ramonesy, it still sounds cool. But what I like about the Misfits is they kind of add this melodic element into it by going like this. So the difference is you hit that intermediary note. And it just adds like a cool element to it. And that's something you can do in a lot of songs that have like either descending or ascending progression in your own writing. You can add that kind of intermediary note to add a little bit of melodic accents to it. So, continuing. And that's basically the whole intro verse part. What else is interesting about this, besides the fact that it's got that intermediary note, is that it begins and ends on the same chord, which gives it kind of a unique feel. So again, I'll play it again so you can kind of see how it goes. So you can kind of see when you go from, when you repeat the part, you're starting on the same chord, so it has that real long section of the same chord playing when it starts the verse over again, which I think is pretty cool and not 100% common in songs. Then moving on to the chorus, we're going to go to the B chord, and then we're going to play like this. This does another interesting thing. So you're going to play. So you play the B chord, and then you're going to play the A chord, and then you stick with the A chord another measure, which is, so you got a long stretch of the A chord in there, which I think is also kind of interesting. A lot of bands might not use that type of chord progression, that double A right there, but it makes an interesting sound. So again, here's how you play it. So it gives it kind of a weird feel. It's kind of like a very tense by using that double A chord and kind of a non-normal chord progression. So again, here's that chorus again. That's basically it for the song. Then it goes back and forth between the verse and chorus several times. And then at the very end of the chorus, you're just going to go. So it's G, A to the D. And that's it for the song. It's pretty easy, but it's a fun song to play, and it has some kind of interesting elements that you can kind of incorporate in your own songs. And that's it for this time. Remember to like this video and subscribe on YouTube. I'll be posting new videos every week, and I will have the tab for this up in the description, or the link for the tab will be in the description on YouTube, and I'll see you guys next time.